Hi, I'm Peter Kalmstrom of kalmstrom.com Business Solutions. In this demonstration, I'll show you how to configure Calendar Browser for SharePoint. As you see, there's a little button to the left here that says Configure. And to configure the application, you simply click on that button. As you see, first you have the calendars list, which shows the description of each room to the right here when you click on it, and also the grouping of each room. To add or change anything here, you simply edit this list and then press save at the bottom right there. You can also just create new items here by just copy and paste. Here I have a list of cars that I want to book, and I want to put them under the group cars, of course. So just copy that from Excel and then paste it in there. And as you see, now, when I click on Save there, Calendar Browser will automatically create those calendars with the appropriate columns and so on. So there we go. Now, as you see, we have the whole section cars here, blue car, green car, red car, and they're all available now, which is of course amazing. But as you see, these cars don't have a description yet, and that is because I didn't put anything here in the description field. So I'll just put something here, very fast and nice looking car, something like that, right? And then you simply save there. And now the blue car should have an info icon on it, and yes, it does. Very fast and nice looking car. Also, if I want to put a picture there, I can just copy that picture. Let's just search for a blue car. So now I can edit that image right there and copy the clipboard there. And then I go into the configure and just paste in the image there and then save again. And now you see I have the picture there also. So that's the first tab, the descriptions of the rooms, the groupings, and of course pictures if you want. Second tab here is the categories that controls the colors for your event. So on each event you can select which category that event belongs to, and then you can color code that. So let's just do the IT systems review that. Let's make that dark red there, just so we have it very visually. And then I save and go back to the calendar and just find something that's booked. There we go. Let's do this, trip to IHQ. Let's just change that to IT systems review. And now you'll see that that indeed changes to the dark red. So that's how that works. So supplies controls what can be ordered within your organization. Here you can again, of course, copy and paste, or you can just write in the information. So if you want cleaning services, for example, and that is $100 for that, then you just add that, and when you go back to the orders, then it will have a cleaning button there on it also. The example data, if you don't have that, then you can add that. And here's the registration tab showing how many days the trial version of Calendar Browser will continue to work. So that's it. That's the configuration of Calendar Browser for SharePoint. Thank you for watching.